1. Fill a glue syringe with wallpaper seam adhesive. Choose a syringe with a small tip, like a 21 gauge, so it won't leave a mark in your paper. Remove the plunger from the end and squeeze the adhesive directly into the body of the syringe. Then replace the plunger before using. You can buy a glue syringe at most hardware or paint stores, or from an online retailer. 2. Insert the tip of the syringe into the bubble. Poke a hole into either the top or the middle of the air bubble using the sharp tip of the syringe. You only need to stick it in far enough that the glue will go into the center of the bubble. If you're having trouble inserting the syringe, use a razor blade to cut a very small slit in the bubble. Make the hole just big enough for the tip of the syringe to fit in it. 3. Squirt a small amount of adhesive into the bubble. The larger the bubble, the more glue you'll have to use. Slowly press down on the plunger at the end of the syringe to push the glue out. Use only as much glue as you need to coat the inside of the bubble. If the glue isn't coming out, you may need a larger tip for your syringe. For example, if you're currently using a 21 gauge, try increasing it to a 15 or 18 gauge. 4. Use a seam roller to flatten the bubble against the wall. This tool is more effective than your hands at getting rid of bubbles and bumps. Press down as you roll it back and forth over the bubble so the paper sticks to the wall. A squeegee will work if you don't have a seam roller. If any extra glue seeps out from the slit, carefully wipe it off with a damp cloth or paper towel before it hardens. 5. Let the adhesive dry for at least 24 hours. While most wallpaper seam adhesive will get tacky within a few minutes, they often need a full 24 hours to dry completely. Don't hang anything on the wall or place any items, like furniture, against the spot until it's dry. Look on the adhesive package to find out the exact drying time for your specific brand and type.